If you feel like your income is too small to save money, this video will change the way you think about saving forever. Even with a low income, you can start building real financial security step by step. Saving money is not about how much you earn. It is about how you manage what you already have. Small, consistent savings can grow into emergency funds, investments, and long-term financial freedom. The first step is simple but powerful: track where every rupee or dollar goes. Most people lose money on small daily expenses they never notice. When you track spending for just 30 days, you instantly find places to save. A simple budgeting method is the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Even if you start with just 5% savings, the habit matters more than the amount. Look for hidden costs like unused subscriptions, frequent food delivery, and impulse online shopping. Cutting just one unnecessary expense can create instant monthly savings. Saving becomes easier when income grows, even a little. Start with small side income ideas like freelancing, online selling, or simple digital work. Extra income should go directly into savings, not new spending. Remember, financial freedom does not start with big money. It starts with small, smart decisions repeated daily. Begin today, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. For more simple money guides, visit growyourwealth.com and subscribe for weekly videos on saving, investing, and financial freedom.